Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your name on your Facebook page. I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Facebook page name in a few seconds. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to log into your Facebook account. So guys, as you can see now, here's my Facebook account. Then the next step I have to take now is to tap on my Facebook profile icon. You can see it there at the top right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the drop down icon. You can see it there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to choose the Facebook page that you want to change its name. As you can see here, that's the Facebook page. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's switching to the Facebook page. So guys, now you can see the Facebook page has opened up. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the profile icon of the Facebook page. You can see there at the top right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on the settings icon. You can see that gear icon there at the top. So let me tap on it already. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me do that real quick. Let me scroll downward. Then what you have to look out for is audience and visibility. So guys can see there, audience and visibility. Then under the audience and visibility, what you have to tap on now is where you can see page setup. You can see there, page setup. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. Page setup. So guys, under the page setup, you can see where it is written there, name, and right next to the name you can see where it is written view. So what you have to do now is to tap on view to view your Facebook page name. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the name of my Facebook page. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. But before I go ahead now to edit it, you can see where it is written, please note, that's an important information. So let me go ahead now to read it. You can see it. If you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So guys, you have to take note of that. If you change it now, you have to wait for another 60 days for you to be able to change it again. So just make sure that what you want to change it to is what you actually want. So guys, now let me go ahead now to edit it. So guys, what I'll do now is just to make a slight change on my Facebook name. You can see there is a space bar on my Facebook name. You can see just between the hyphen and the letter C. You can see that there is a space there. I want to remove the space. So what I'll do now is to remove it. Let me cancel it. Let me tap on cancel. So guys, let me cancel it right away. So guys, now you can see I've edited it. Now the C and the hyphen is now together. So guys, that's what I want to do. But in case you want to change the whole of the name, you can go ahead to do that. You can decide to erase all of it and put something new. You can see you can decide to erase it and put something new. You can see. But guys, I just want to correct that mistake. So let me go ahead now to impute my Facebook page name. So guys, now you can see I'm done editing my Facebook page name. You can see it, I've changed it. So guys, what I have to do next now is to tap on where you can see review change. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written here, preview your new name. So guys, now you can see my current name, which is Evercare Eye Clinic, with the space between the hyphen and the C. But this is my new name now. There is no space between the hyphen and the C. Like I said, you can actually delete the name and put an entirely new name. But in this my case, what I did was just to edit it, remove the space between the hyphen and the C. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to input your password in order to effect this change on your Facebook name. You can see where it is written, to save these settings, please enter your Facebook password. So guys, now to authenticate this process, you have to input your Facebook password. So guys, let me go ahead now to do that. But guys, if I go ahead now to do that, you can see what's written there. Our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 60 days. During this time, we may also let the people who follow your page to know that the name has been updated. So guys, now that being read, let me go ahead now to input my Facebook password. So guys, now you can see I've imputed my Facebook password. So let me go ahead now to tap on save changes. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to change my Facebook name. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can change your name on Facebook, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Also, see you guys in our next upload. Bye. Peace.